Ever want quick access into your downloads, but it just takes too long to open up File Explorer and find a downloads folder? Well, in this video, I have the good and correct solution for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can access a downloads folder from just right here. As you can see for us, we have the settings, pictures, documents, and profile tabs here. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we can add the downloads folder as well. To begin, what we're going to do is head to our Windows home page. Once we are there, we're going to press on the Windows Start button and head to Settings. Afterwards, we are going to be met with a couple of options we can choose from. The option we want to choose is the Personalization tab. Once it is clicked, be sure to scroll down all the way to the bottom and go up by one, where you will be meted and greeted with the Start tab. Next up, press on the Start tab, and as you can see, this is what you'll get. Now, these are none of the options we want. However, I highly suggest you copy the options I have turned on for the best experience. However, what we are going to be doing is going a bit down where we can see choose which folders appear on Start. From here, there are multiple options we can choose from. For me, I'm going to be turning off pictures, as I will never be accessing that. Alongside that, I'm going to be turning on File Explorer. So as you can see, if we turn on File Explorer, it is right here. Now, this is not what we want. What we want is the Downloads tab. So we're going to press on Downloads, and as you can see, it has appeared right here. So once you press on it, it should bring you into your downloads. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.